So you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free coins in DramaBox. And I'm going to show you today, guys, how to get unlimited coins in DramaBox. And this is going to save you a bunch of money. If we just go to the in-app purchases via the App Store, let's see how much coins actually cost. So let's go down. So it doesn't actually list the coins, but you can see they can go up to as much as like $25 US. But I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited free coins in DramaBox. And you just need to follow the instructions and steps that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So you of course need to make sure you have the app installed on your phone. This is my spare iPhone, so I don't actually have the app installed, but I can still run through these steps that you need to take. So have the app installed and make sure it's fully updated. You also need to make sure you're not on the low power mode, guys. So if your battery settings is on low power mode, make sure you turn that off, because for this to work, you need the background app refresh working. So yeah, just turn your low power mode off. Okay, and then you need to open up the internet and head on over to this website, guys, www.wavyplugin.com. So if you spell it correctly, guys, Wavy Plugin. Now this is basically a app store of different plugins for all of your favorite apps. You can scroll down, they have tons of different games, like plugins and mods. Pretty awesome website. So there is a search bar for you to search for DramaBox in here. DramaBox. Okay, click to get unlimited free coins in DramaBox, and this is working on iOS and Android. So basically, guys, this, when you click on it, you're going to get a modded app on your home screen, which will have pretty much unlimited coins preloaded. Now, I've just cancelled that because I don't actually have the app on this phone. But basically, guys, when that loading screen reaches the end, you're going to see a new page, and it's going to tell you, because this is probably your first time on Wavy Plugin, getting a plugin, you probably need to verify your device. And basically, this just you have to complete a couple of these like tasks, which are like downloading apps. And that will verify it, and then you will have your mod on your phone, and you can enjoy DramaBox with unlimited coins, unlimited free coins. So that is it, guys. Go to Wavy Plugin, search for DramaBox, and get your free coins now. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.